Post up, run around in it, flossing on it.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Tanel Sinaj here. For those who are new and for those who are returning, welcome. So today I will be showing you how I achieved this fall inspired look. My look kind of matched my sweater. But if you want to see how I achieved this look, keep on watching. But before you keep on watching, make sure you like and comment on this or any of my other videos. Also, don't forget to subscribe. And if you haven't seen my latest video, which is this hairstyle, click the cards on one of these sides for that video. So yeah, let's just get right into it. Here you just see me priming my eyelids with some LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Medium Biscuit. After I prime my eye, I just take this flat brush and like blend the concealer out with a patting motion instead of a blending motion. Then I'm going to go into my Morphe 35O palette and take a dark brown shade and pack that all over my lid. The next thing I'll be doing here is going into my Zulu palette by Juvius and taking the brown shade and blending it into my crease. After doing that, I'm going to go back into the Zulu palette and take that orange shade and blend that on top of the brown shade.
Never wants to get to know somebody. I don't even know how to explain this. I don't even want to try. 1, don't pick up the phone. You know he's only calling cause he's drunk and alone. 2, don't let him in. You have to kick him out again. 3, don't be his friend. You know you're gonna wake up in his bed in the morning. And if you're under him, you ain't getting over him. I could overdose. He said stop playing it safe, girl, I wanna see you lose control.
After completely blending out everything, I'm going to take this yellow concealer by LA Girl and I'm going to create like a liner, like a wing liner, so that I can apply my shimmery shadows to it.
This is This shit like cardio. Kisses all the time, falling in love again. Possibilities, I look like all you need. And then it's easy to cry. So I'm picking it up,
After completing the wing with the concealer, you'll see me taking this small little flat brush and packing out the liner so that the shimmers can have something to put onto it.
Maybe it's 6:45, maybe I'm barely alive.
feels like forever, even if forever's tonight. Just lay with me. Waste this night away with me.
Picking it up, loving them living, so we turn it up. Yeah, we turning it up.
Now I'm going to go back into the Morphe 35O palette and take the bottom shimmery like copper color and put that on the inner part of my eye, well, the inner part of the wing.
So leave it on my brain if you feel the same.
I could give 1,000 reasons why, and I know you, and you've got to. I don't believe I'm on my knees right now. Can't see the dark side of the moment. Who's gonna rock you when the sun won't let you sleep? Somebody's taking care of all of the something. Someone you have to change. I've been hoping someone to find myself. Told her I had to go, and I know it ain't pretty when our hearts get broke.
At first I was going to go back into the 35O palette and use like a champagne gold color for the outer part of my wing, but I decided that I wanted to have just one color for the wing. So instead of doing this step, just apply the copper shade to the whole wing.
What about all the times you said you had the answer? If you could feel my heart beat now, it would hit you like a sledgehammer.
Here I'm just cleaning up the wing and any mistakes that I made. Now I'm just adding lip. The first thing I did was take this brown shade and put that on first, and then I went in and put this red shade over top of it.
I had a dream, we were
first sip and a whiskey need. Highest floor of the Bowery, and I was high enough.
I've been drowning in your, lost in the rush.
This is the end of the video. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. And if you haven't seen my latest video, click the cards.